Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to change region in App Store with balance still on your account. Now let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on your Apple ID and choose View Apple ID. You may need to authenticate with Face ID or password. Now scroll down and tap on Country Region. Choose Change Country or Region and select the country you want to switch to. Here's the catch. If you have balance on your Apple ID, you won't be able to change regions directly. Apple requires you to spend your remaining balance or bring it down to zero. So try buying a low-cost item like an app, in-app purchase, or music to use up your balance. If it's a small leftover amount, contact Apple support and ask them to remove the remaining credit. Once your balance is zero, go back and try changing the region again. Follow the steps, agree to the terms, and enter a valid payment method and address for the new country. And that's it. Your region is now changed in the App Store. You can now access apps and content available in your new region. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more useful tips and tutorials.